My dear students, I'm going to teach you Science of Class 3. And the name of the chapter is Precious Soil. Soil is essential for life in the sense that they provide the medium for plant growth, habitat for many insects and other organisms, act as a filtration system for surface water, carbon store and maintenance of atmospheric gases. Soil support roots and keep them upright for growth. Soil provides plants with essential minerals and nutrients. Soil provides air for gaseous exchange between roots and atmosphere. Soil protects plants from erosion and other destructive physical, biological and chemical activities. Soil hold water, that is moisture, and maintain adequate aeration. Insects and microbes live in the soils and depend on soil for food and air. Soils are homes to a diverse range of organisms, such as worms and termites. They provide the needed moisture and air for the breakdown of organic matter. Soil formation. The earth is a beautiful place to live in. There are hills and plains, deserts and mountains, dry land and seas on earth. A variety of animals live here. Different types of plants grow on it. The earth was not always like this. In the beginning, there was no life on earth. It was covered with hard rocks. The sun heated up the rocks. The rain cooled them and the wind blew over them. This continued for millions of years. As a result, the rocks broke up into small pieces. These small pieces broke further into smaller pieces. They were carried around by wind and water. The pieces rubbed against each other till they became tiny particles of soil. The action of the sun, the rain, and the wind broke up the rocks to make soil. It took millions of years for this to happen. Take samples of soil from the roadside, a playground, a garden, or a paddy field. What does soil contain? Activity 1. Take some soil from a garden, put it into an empty jar. Fill the jar with water. Cover it with a lid and shake well. Allow the mixture to stand for 15 minutes. Now look at the jar carefully. The stones settle down at the bottom. The grains of sand are seen above the stones. The clay settles down above the sand. The water above the top layer is not very clear. Parts of dead plants and insects float on top. This is called humus. This activity shows that soil contains dash, dash, dash and dash. You'll find the answers of this from the diagram 3.2. Activity 2. Put some soil in a small tin. Cover it with a lid. With the help of an adult, heat the tin on a low flame. Open the lid. What do you see on the inside of the lid? Drops of water. This proves that soil has moisture in it. Activity 3. Put some soil in a glass jar. Pour water over it. You will see bubbles float up. This happens because air is trapped in the soil. This air escapes and forms bubbles. Repeat these activities with different types of soil. Some contain more water, others contain more air. While one sample may be light brown, the other may be dark brown or black. The third may be of yet another color. Different kinds of soil have different colors. Now observe each sample with a magnifying glass. You will see that different types of soil have particles of different sizes. Oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The making of soil took hundreds slash thousands slash millions of years. Number 2. The soil is home to birds slash insects slash elephants. Number 3. Humus slash sand slash clay is the parts of dead plants and animals found in the soil. Types of soil: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loam are the three types of soil. Sandy soil is mostly found in the desert and on the seashore. Sand particles are big. There is a lot of air in the space between these particles. Sandy soil does not hold much water. Thank you very much.